on a road trip from Bangalore to explore a new destination. And this drive is quite exciting, for this highway is passing through the Nagarhole National Park. If you've been following my channel, you would know my love for animals. Hi, I'm Chitra and you're watching Masala Box Travel. We are here today to do another property review. We are heading towards Wayanad and we just crossed the Karnataka border entering into Kerala, and that's Kabini River which will follow you through the trail. It was quite exciting to cross the border. I mean, the moment you enter into Manandavadi, you get to see the stark differences right from the way the houses are constructed, the people, and it was quite exciting to start gorging on good food, puttu, karla curry, seeing tapioca, beef, and then nice chai kadas. It started as an exciting journey. I'm staying at Great Trails by GRT Hotels at Wayanad. This is a relatively new property, is what I could make out, and quite a luxurious resort as well. The property is at quite an elevation, and it was a long weekend. There were already people bustling at the resort, and we could see a lot of activities going on. What immediately caught my attention was the architecture of this resort, quite well made, both contemporary as well as have tried to incorporate the traditional Kerala styles. From the reception area, you get to see this gorgeous Wayanad view. The valley looks lush green, and you could see the Kabini River flowing through too. It was a wonderful sight to see the moment you checked in. It was also followed by a nice welcome tea, which you get at Kerala specialty, and then we were escorted to our rooms. Great Trails Wayanad by GRT Hotels has quite a lot of rooms. They have a bungalow kind of room, and then there is villa. And if I walk down, I think I noticed even some cottages where families together were staying. What I had booked was an estate villa with a balcony, and that's the room tour I will be showing you. The estate villa bungalow balcony room is one of the biggest rooms they have, or that is what I was told. Welcome. I was quite stunned when I entered the room. The room was big, like quite big. Pretty modern construction with the use of ample natural light mirrors to reflect the spaciousness of the room. And needless to say, contemporary furnitures, just like I said before, a mix of both modern and traditional, you would be finding it all through the resort. The balcony kind of opens up to a garden view, but actually past that fence, it's plantations. Okay, now for the highlight of the room, it is this bathroom. It just made me go, oh, I mean, this bathroom was so luxurious, so spacious, so spacious. I really have no words to describe it. The play of natural lights coming through the roof. There's a green corner. There's a comfortable tub which I could actually use it for bath. The commode area, and then there's a dressing area, separate dressing area with cupboards and places to keep your suitcase and get ready. They've also tried to be eco-friendly in certain places. So this clean bathroom, oh my god, I could just live in this bathroom, and that's pretty much what I did in this resort. I did not go sightseeing. All I did was to enjoy this urban luxurious room. Apart from the kettle, mini bar, the fridge stocked and all that, they also had these nuts and fruits, and I finished the jackfruit chips on day one. By evening, they had set up this pop-up stall, which was a chai kada. So you would see these chai shops around Kerala a lot, and it's more of a communal space where people would gather, have hot chai, and take up a newspaper, munch on a parampuri or a pakoda, and that's pretty much what they had attempted, and it was a great success. All the guests were huddling around for some hot tea. Right below the restaurant and reception, they have a recreation center. This was quite stocked up well. There were foosball, table tennis, the ping pong table, and chess, indoor games, a well functioning gym. This is pretty new resort, so everything was up to the mark and clean and working condition. And with this valley view, I would rather laze than work out. With my room, there was a complimentary foot massage too, which I used very relaxingly. By dinner, we decided to have the buffet dinner, which was at the resort itself. Honestly, there is not much of restaurants around the resort. You would have to go all the way into the town. So we opted to have the dinner at the restaurant. The dinner was pretty decent, like any good buffet restaurant that you would come across. Not specifically Kerala specific food, but they had a good mix of all sorts of cuisine to keep everyone happy kinds. Some night I was happy to walk around the property. It's quite spacious. I enjoy the starry nights and the walk around the property. Next day morning, it was time for breakfast. The place was bustling with people. It was quite crowded, to say the least. They had also listed the activities for the day. So, if you would like to follow this, then you're kind of settled in the resort. The breakfast was a mix of South Indian and North Indian, as well as continental breakfast. Here again, apart from Kallappam, I didn't find anything uh, pertaining to Kerala cuisine. And when I brought this up with the chef, they said you could have asked just for puttu and idiyappam and we would have made it for you. But it was quite disappointing to not see that on the menu. The breakfast was not as exciting as I thought it would be. They also have this sprawling swimming pool. It's more like an infinity pool overlooking the Wayanad Valley. It was, I don't know swimming, but I really liked hanging out over here. The colors, the Kabini River flowing down, the valley view. It was all just beautiful. Walking around the property, you see a lot of other activities listed too. So by afternoon, the place was quite busy. So you have people helping you carry out this activity, like rope walking or rope climbing. There is zip line, trampoline, the shooting with the arrow, the darter. So many games are there on the resort itself that people were enjoying. So I would say it's a great place if you have kids. Kids were enjoying a lot. They were playing. It's quite safe to let the kids play, and you can have your own time. That's what I realized. Half of the people who had come here were doing. So it's quite nice. Quite a lot of activities for kids or adolescent kids, I would say. Overall, it's a great place for a day or two relaxing stay where you can, spend the day at a resort, and one day you can go around sightseeing kind. Even for toddlers, they had kept a good section specifically for toddlers with nice intriguing puzzles and small painting stuff, uh, books, and so forth. So, as I said, it's a great place if you are having family with kids. You can engage in a lot of activity. With that, it was time to bid goodbye to Great Trails Wayanad. I really wish the rooms also had this view. That was the only thing missing. With that, it was time to say bye. The gorgeous, gorgeous roads of Wayanad and everything passing through different national forests. It was so beautiful to say bye. But bye. See you in another property review. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to Masala Box Travel.